Hey everyone, we're in week 3 of teacher training, and this week we're going to be working on symmetrical and asymmetrical poses. So your poses are Prasarita Padottonasana, that's a separate leg forward bend, and Utkatasana, which is chair pose, awkward pose, fierce pose, powerful pose. It has a lot of names. And those are your symmetrical poses. And then your asymmetrical poses are Parsva Konasana, which is extended side angle, and Urdhva, Prasarita, Padasana, which is standing split. Prasarita Padottanasana. Step out wide, about 4 to 4.5 feet apart, and turn your feet so they face directly forward. Place your hands onto your hips and draw the elbows toward each other. Loop the tailbone under, pull in the low belly, lift the chest, take the shoulder heads back and the shoulder blades down, thighs engaging, hinging forward right where the hips meet the thighs, extending through your spine, coming onto your fingertips, and then bend your elbows and walk back through your legs with your hands. Grab your ankles from the outside and place the crown of your head onto the earth. Re-extend. You can soften your knees a bit if you need to come up, coming all the way up. With Katasasana chair pose. Feet are side by side, arms go up. We're going to bend our knees and sit down into that imaginary chair. Now, you can get your thighs so that they come parallel with the ground, okay, but your upper body comes too far forward. If you can peel your upper body back, then you can stay lower. But for most folks, you want to come to about here, where your knees are pressing forward, the weight is even in your feet, your low belly's pulled in, and you're still able to lift your chest up and bring your eyes up. Konasana. Step out wide, 4.5 feet, turn, left foot in, right foot turns all the way out, arms extended, and we take warrior 2, bending that knee at 90 degrees. And now we're going to start extending over to the side, placing the hand down and bringing the other arm all the way over. Try not to sink into your straight leg groin. Keep it lifted. Keep bending through your right knee, turning your waist, chest, shoulders, neck. Inhale and come up. Switch the sides. Turning, right foot in, left foot all the way out. Arms extended at shoulder height. I'm going to bend into that left knee, bringing it down 90 degrees. And now we're going to start extending over to the side, placing the hand down and bringing the other arm all the way over. Don't sink into your straight leg groin. Pull in your belly. Turn your waist, chest, shoulders, neck. Come up. So when you're getting into a standing split, you can get into it a number of ways. Classically, you would go into it from a forward bend, which of course is the hardest way to get in. A lot of times we'll transition from like Padottonasana pyramid into a standing split, but today I'm going to show you the classic way to get in from the forward fold. So, forward bend, hands onto the ground, and then one foot obviously stays onto the ground, and the other leg is going to come up. Now from here, you want to work your pose a little bit. So bend both of your knees, extend your spine, further down your thigh, and then straighten both legs. I like to use my palms pressing into the earth. I'm going to do that one more time. Bending both of my knees. I'm going to re-extend, coming on the fingertips. Drag my chest all the way down that thigh. Walk my hands back a little bit further. And then straighten as much as I can into both of my legs. From here, you're going to use one hand for balance, so it's the opposite hand from the foot you're standing on, and the other hand comes behind your calf. You strengthen both legs, pull in your belly, use your arm strength, and go deeper and deeper, bringing your forehead onto